Hi, it's Derryn here from Art by Derryn, welcoming you to another ArtStart Mixed Media Art class. Today I'll be showing you what we can do in our art journals with a Gelliplate print like this. Today we're going to use this Gelliplate print that I did. The theme of it is girl power. I've made this available for you as a download. Just did want to show you something as well. When you're working with your printer to print out any colourful things like this, to show you the difference. Like, what's the first print I got? So I got it a little closer on the second one. So always check your settings on your printer if it's not the way you like it to start with. So this one's girl power. As you can see, our girls are here. I'm going to make them the focal point, I think, of this page, and then use this plus these and bring it all together. Let's get started. I'm going to tear out our ladies and put them on our rule of thirds line there on our grid. It's just a place to put our focal point. I'm just going to tear shreds using the gel that I always use. I can't remember the name of it. Oh my god. Soft gel matte. Oh my goodness. Okay, and just putting it, sort of balancing the colours as best I can. Now I'm going to go around the ladies with some gesso, and this just brings them forward. You can see how that pushes them forward. I'm outlining it, and then I'm using a little bit of water to spread it out so it's not quite so heavy. Also kind of loosely drawn some houses over here because I think this girl power should be for our ladies who work in home management. I picked the teal colour as my background, so when you're picking your background colours or a colour to bring it all together, just pick one of the colours that's already in your print and use that. I've also gone around and darkened that line just on one side of my ladies to bring them more forward again, and our houses. I'm just putting the extra paint on another page as well. You didn't see in between, I did dry that. So outlining my houses here, just adding this spiral. Using a spiral in your work can often mean that you're in a growth period, so let's hope I'm in a growth period. We've all been stuck at home for so long. We all need a little bit of growth, I think, from the last few years. So just adding that with some yellow and white and a bit of blue as well. Arrows there, just adding just another tone, just to give it a bit more depth, and putting a bit of blue in the sky there as well, and using up the excess paint on that page over it as well. So I started going around in white, and then I thought, you know, now I'll do it in black, and so I did all this drawing in black, and it doesn't look very much on the video, the time length, but it was a bit of drawing. So then we put the girl power. Now if you see, I didn't put any consonants, vowels in with it, because when you look at consonants you actually feel it in yourself. So what I decided to do then is add another lady and use the white paper to sort of define my houses. And you can see how easy it is to remove that pen. That's the foodball pen, because when you've got that dried layer of acrylic paint and the gel medium as well, it creates an isolation layer, which means anything you put on top of it you can wipe away while it's still wet and your isolation layer is dry. So I've just gone in with a little bit more white paint just to blend that new lady into the background a little bit more. And you can see how I've used the lighter tones in the windows and on the top of the buildings there, just the roofs, just to make them stand out just a little bit more. So that's our page today, our Girl Power Art Journal page. I hope you enjoyed that class. Just a quick one from me today. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to see your pages as well. You can tag me on Instagram or check out anything on my website. Got free classes over there as well, plus my courses. And of course there's the download of today's Gelliplate print for free for you to download on my website as well. And check out other art journaling pages in the playlist. So don't forget to get your art started with ArtStart, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.